Hi everybody, Amanda here. Welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. And this short video is a review of the collapsible toilet that I bought on Amazon. It was $40. I will put a link in the description. But I wanted to purchase it because I wanted to test it out and bring you guys a review. Now, I do have a fancy camping toilet, but I've also been using a 5-gallon Home Depot bucket, which honestly I just prefer. But this collapsible toilet is small and compact, and that's what I wanted. Now, it comes in this carrying case. It also comes with 5 really heavy-duty trash bags, which I definitely appreciate. This is what the main base looks like. As you can see, it folds down. And then you have the bottom of the toilet and the toilet seat. So here's how it works because it doesn't come with instructions. Basically, you open up the base. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just, plastic. You place the tray inside of it. Don't try and put the thing around it. Put the tray inside. Then you put the trash bag in, and then the seat on the top, and that's it. Okay, what I like about this is that it's shorter than the 5-gallon bucket. And I can still use it sitting in my van, okay? So it's great. Now, the thing about this collapsible toilet is it actually can hold up to 400 pounds. So it's easy to clean. It's easy to take apart. Just push out the bottom. There you go. And then collapse it, and you can put it in its carrying case. So you can use this toilet anywhere. You can use it in a tent. You can use it in your van. You could use it in a car. It's really short. So that's the thing. It is short, and it's not sturdy in terms of keeping waste stored in it. So after you've done your business, you can't really keep waste in there like you can in a 5-gallon bucket. So you either need to be disposing of your waste constantly, burying it, or have some sort of other apparatus, or you can just leave it in the bag on the ground and then, trash it with you when you're done. So it's nice and light, really durable, sturdy. It's even low enough to where my van door misses it. You see, so if you have it like sitting outside your van and you open your doors, it won't hit it, which is nice. Unlike the 5-gallon bucket, I can throw this thing anywhere. So $40. I am going to say that this is my new toilet. I love it. It's comfortable. It's easy to clean, and it's compact, and it's not going to take up a ton of space because you store it right in the bag. Highly recommend it. Grab yours from the link in my description. You can get lots of different colors. Of course, I went with blue since I do a lot of blues and teals and things like that in my van. So, I hope this review was helpful. I am going to continue to use this toilet over the 5-gallon bucket because of the convenience. So thank you so much for tuning in to Adventuring with Amanda. Make sure you follow us on Instagram at amanda.yantos. You can also check out my website at amandayantos.com. Don't forget to give this video a like if it was helpful to you, and we'll see you next time.